In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view quarantine in Microsoft Defender. There are a couple of places where quarantined items can appear, depending on what you're trying to check. I'll walk you through the Microsoft 365 Defender portal for email and collaboration content, and then the Windows Security app on your local PC for antivirus detections. If your organization uses Microsoft Defender for Office 365, start in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal by visiting security.microsoft.com. Once you're in, look to the left menu and go to Email and Collaboration, then Review, and then Quarantine. This opens the central quarantine view for your tenant. At the top, you'll see tabs you can switch between: Email for quarantined messages, Files for quarantined attachments or file content where applicable, and Teams messages for quarantined Teams content. If you prefer, you can go directly to the quarantine view by navigating to Security, Microsoft.com, Quarantine. Inside this page, use filters to narrow down results by reason, date, or sender. Selecting an item shows you why it was quarantined and who it was sent to, which helps you decide what to do next. Depending on your permissions and the applicable policies, you can release the item to the intended recipient or delete it from quarantine. A quick tip: before releasing anything, review the reason and details carefully. High-confidence malware or phishing is usually restricted to admins by default, so if you don't see certain items, you might not have the necessary permissions, or your organization's policies may limit your view. If you're looking for quarantined items on a local Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, open the Windows Security app from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then under Current Threats choose Protection History, or it might appear as See Full History. From there, filter to show quarantined items. Select any entry to view more details, and if the options are available, you can restore the item or remove it permanently. Only restore something if you are confident it's safe and came from a trusted source. Remember, Microsoft intentionally hides the physical quarantine folder for security reasons, so the Protection History view is the correct and supported way to manage quarantined threats on your machine. That's it. Use the Microsoft 365 Defender portal for organization-wide email and collaboration quarantine and the Windows Security app for local antivirus quarantine. Review items carefully, use filters to find what you need, and only restore content you trust.